So, it's to all the DJs. What's the one song that you fucking hate playing, but you gotta do it for the crowd? We'll start with Tushar.
We can't say hate. We don't.
I mean, like,
Okay, you don't like it,
you.
you don't hate
You're just playing it for the
There
crowd,
There
no?
are so many songs like that. I personally wouldn't like to play Study Gali anymore. Honestly.
Okay.
But you can't avoid. There are songs you cannot avoid, no matter what. You have to play. We have to play
Yeah,
them.
you gotta play that.
You have to.
It's for the crowd, right?
Yeah.
Fair.
Wait, Sadigali, the RDB song.
The RDB one.
Oh my
God,
No, I don't
ड्रामर
hate
बैठा
the
है यहाँ
song.
पर RDB का उसको ही बोल रहे कि नहीं
No, no,
अब
no,
साथ में
no.
बैठ के
Because it's
Study Gali नहीं
played
सुनना है.
so much.
Give him a call tomorrow, yeah.
No, you're getting a call from KV tomorrow, not Bharat.
Get a call from UK tomorrow.
कॉल करके बोलेगा एक्चुअली मुझे भी वही ट्रैक लेना था थैंक्स मैन बहुत ड्रम बजा दिए उस पे
Fair. So
बहुत
Sadi
बचाया
Gali,
वैसे, bro.
Sadi Gali is for you, right?
Yeah.
For you.
I'm not naming an RDB song for sure. But I think for me, you know what, I get a lot of requests for this, especially if I'm playing at somebody's house or whatever, just as a friendly thing. Maan Meri Jaan, I think ho
The
gaya
one by
uska.
King?
Yeah, ho
Okay.
gaya uska bhi.
Okay. Manoj.
I think it'll be Ooh Antaba for me.
Fair.
I hate
good songs
Maan
going.
Meri Jaan. I
You
will-
also hate Maan Meri Jaan.
I absolutely.
Chaudhary.
I'm from Delhi and I do go to Delhi very often, so I don't want to get killed. So I love my life.
Clip that, please, Manav.
So yeah, I hate Maan Meri Jaan.
Okay, fair. Mita.
I think I'll agree to Manoj. For me also is Antama
Okay.
because that is something I don't like that song personally.
Okay.
But it's a crowd favorite, so we'll have to put it in.
fair. Now he's gonna say, हाँ वही जो उन्होंने बोला है.
No, I'll say what he's said.
Say, I want
not
to
here,
hear
but
what
he's
you
told
have to
us.
say, my friend. I want to hear what you have to. Which one do you don't?
No, but yeah, I mean, like there are a couple of tracks, like he says, wedding tracks,
Yeah.
like which have been used and abused now, and like I think it's time that we stop playing them. So yeah, there are so many of them. Like you take, like he was talking about Galla Gudiyan as well. Like that's
तो मेरे पास आया
That's-
like he said मान मेरी
Yeah, I was
जान.
like किसने बोला था वो गाने के बारे में वो सोच रहा हूँ
वो
मैं.
actually हमारा पूरा playlist is like that.
Yeah.
To be
Yeah,
honest, our whole playlist is
Like even now, but like I say that track, I've still played it because we still get requests for it.
Yeah, obviously you gotta
Like-
cater to the crowd.
No, that's the whole
Exactly.
That's the-
And
that's the
again,
point of the
like he
question.
said, like yeah, we have to play for the crowd. Like if there is somebody who's coming and like spending X amount of money and he wants to listen to that track, like, yes, of course, like we have to then play it because
कौन सा है
there
वो
is.
गाना? Question वो है. Don't beat around the fucking
Then
bush.
I just
That's
said
the point.
Galla Gudiya, right?
Galla Gudiya. Fair.
Galla Gudiyan.
Fair. Beats has some.
Challenger song.
I don't know.
Yeah, I
Gaddi
don't
Red
dance.
Challenger.
No.
Charger. What is that Challenger song?
Gaddi Red.
Red
Challenger.
Gaddi Challenger. I still hate that track, and thankfully it's wiped out.
Wow.
Like I'm just happy it's wiped out of all our sets.
When you playing for a Canadian wedding?
Not anytime soon.
Not Canadian, Brampton.
Brampton.
And Bharat, who?
Even Bewafa for that matter.
Oh.
No, I don't think we play.
I've been to a night where
That's
they've
like the-
ended with Bewafa.
Yes.
No, but I don't
That's happened.
think.
And
actually,
we
we've never
have
ended
not-
with Bay.
yeah.
Bay-
No, I'm talking about somewhere else.
Yeah,
Like I've
yeah,
just been
yeah.
for a night and like Bewafa is playing at the end और सब रो के घर जा रहे हैं, bro. क्यों? Like, you should be fucking happy, right?
Exactly.
So guys, please just play some at the end.
Of course.
But you must be getting a lot of requests from the people on your table as well. जाके भी बता दें इन लोगों को ये गाना सुनना है.
AP Gana, AP.
Yeah, yeah.
AP.
But the wedding tracks, if given a chance, but again, you can't blame them because there's so much music produced or made in Bollywood. So yeah, we are stuck with that track. But then, if I had to remove, you come to a club, right? So clubbing tracks, like high energy club tracks, no wedding tracks. I would remove all the wedding tracks, and they all know that.
But we also face a lot of tricky questions like why not? It's a Desi night, right? So you have so much variety in Desi. So how can you refuse to play that Desi song? It's a Bollywood. I've come for a Bollywood night. I would want to listen to a Bollywood. I'm not asking you to play house techno. I'm asking you to play Bollywood night. So why can't you play this song?
Wow.
Wow, and what do you answer to that?
Give me 5 minutes, I'll play.
give him the headphone. बोला तू खुद बजा भाई.
And then at 3 o'clock, when the person is like, oh my shit, man, I forgot. Next time, for sure.
Bro, you're giving away the trade secrets.
Come on, cut this.
I would say, but I still have to use that. I don't intend to give it out now yet.
Okay. Some of the things should be just remaining secrets, right?
Got
Like
it.
that's the trick of the trade.